In this video series, I am going to tell you how to use Vray render engine to create realistic views of your 3D models in SketchUp. I have already introduced you to the toolbars of Vray in the previous videos. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to adjust the settings of sunlight and shadow in a scene. So here I have already opened a 3D model of a bedroom. I have also created some scenes. This way we can understand the behavior of light and shadow and how it enters inside the room through window. I have not applied any materials except on the window pane, on which I have used a transparent glass material so that sunlight can enter through it inside the room. I will create a separate video about how to apply materials on different surfaces in a SketchUp model. In my experience, I have realized that it is a better practice to set the lights in the scene first and then add materials. I always start by first observing the default light conditions in the scene. For that, I am opening Shadow toolbar and setting the exterior scene current. Without changing any of the settings given in the Shadow tool panel, I will first initiate an interactive render by clicking the icon for it, given in the main toolbar of Vray. It will initiate a render of the current scene, and it is going to help analyzing how sunlight is falling on our model and where the shadows are creating and how it is entering the room through window or doors. Now I will tweak with the settings given in the shadow panel. I will change the time and also the date and see how it is affecting the render of the model. Interactive render automatically updates the rendered image in real time as you make changes in your scene. So I will adjust the settings according to my requirement, and when done, I will stop. Now I am opening the asset editor to check what are the other settings that can be adjusted. I will click the icon for lights in model. It is currently showing only sunlight as I haven't added any other light in the scene yet. So I can switch it on or off by clicking its icon. I can also increase or decrease its intensity by changing the value here. If I click this arrow, it will open more settings where you can change the intensity, color, and several other settings. Size multiplier reflects how soft the edges of shadow will be. More the value, softer will be the edges. For grayer haze in the background, you can increase turbidity. Albedo color is for adjusting the color of the ground. More the value, grayer the ground color. Blend angle is for adjusting the blending of ground at the horizon. When sunlight is not sufficient to achieve the desired render output, we can use Vray dome light. We will see how to do that in the next video.